Welcome to the first part of our portrait drawing course, From Zero to Hero. Hey everyone, before we get started, just a quick note. If you want to use the reference image for today's tutorial, you can find the link in the description below. Also, if you're not sure how to sketch the basic facial structure or draw the initial lines, don't worry. I've included some helpful videos down there that will guide you through those first steps. Plus, I've listed all the materials and tools I'm using today in the description, so be sure to check that out if you need any recommendations. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. To start drawing the eye, I first darken the guidelines. Then, using a soft brush, I gently blend the darkened pencil lines. I try to add the dark areas that I see in the reference image. I repeat this process multiple times until I achieve the desired darkness. When shading, make sure to pay attention to both the shadows and highlights.